Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to empty trash on Mac manually for free. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to delete file or folders on Mac. Method 1. Select the file or folder that you want to delete. Drag it onto the trash bin icon available on the bottom dock. And drop it there. That's it, the selected file has been deleted successfully. Method 2. Right-click on the file. An options list will open. Choose the Move to Bin option from that list. Method 3. Select the file. Hold the Command key and press Delete on your keyboard to delete the selected file. How to empty trash on Mac manually for free. Method 1. Right-click on the trash bin icon available on the bottom dock. An options list will open. Click on the Empty Bin option from that list. Then a small window will pop up and asks you for confirmation. Choose the Empty Bin option to confirm the deletion process. Method 2. Click on the Trash Bin icon available on the bottom dock to launch it. On the right of the window you will find the Empty option. Click on it, then it asks you for confirmation. Choose the Empty Bin option to clear the trash bin on Mac. Else, click on the three dots option available on the top of the window. An options list will open. Choose the Empty Bin option to delete all the files present in trash. Method 3. Click on the Finder option available on the top left corner. An options list will open. Choose the Empty Bin option from that list. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Command plus Delete to empty the trash bin. Method 4. Hold Command and press spacebar on your keyboard to open Spotlight search bar. Type Terminal in the search bar and click on the application to launch it. Enter the command displaying on the screen. You can also find the command in the below description. And from there, you can copy and paste it. Now, click on the trash bin icon to launch it. Select the file or folder that you want to delete. Drag and drop it onto the terminal window. Now, it displays the file destination. And hit Enter. It asks you to enter the password of your Mac. Type the password and hit Enter. New command line will be displayed after deleting the selected file. Likewise, you can drag and drop all the files present in the trash bin to empty it. This is how you can empty trash on Mac manually for free. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.